Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Kershaw knives are probably one of the most reliable and versatile tools you can add to your everyday carry, offering a blend of durability, sharpness, and innovative design that makes them a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts, DIYers, and anyone who appreciates a quality blade. Whether you're tackling tough tasks in the wilderness or need a dependable tool for everyday chores, Kershaw consistently delivers exceptional performance and value, making it a brand that stands out in a crowded market. Number 5. Kershaw Clash Pocket Knife, Black. Meet the Kershaw Clash, designed to be your ideal everyday companion. It's a top choice for an affordable, all-purpose utility knife, now available in a sleek black finish. This knife features a durable 8cr13 MOV steel blade for excellent edge retention and strength. The partially serrated edge is perfect for easily cutting through tough, fibrous materials. Its robust handle is made from glass-filled nylon, offering a comfortable and secure grip. It also includes a reversible pocket clip for convenient carry options. Experience quick and easy blade deployment with assisted opening and a built-in flipper. A secure liner lock ensures the blade stays safely in place when you need it. With a 3.1-inch blade and a closed length of 4.25 inches, it's perfectly sized for everyday tasks. Plus, it's backed by Kershaw's limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. What we like. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly everyday carry knife, this one is a fantastic choice. Its partially serrated blade excels at cutting through fibrous materials, making it great for general utility tasks. If you need a dependable workhorse without breaking the bank, consider this. What people say. The Kershaw Blur is a fantastic knife that excels in everyday carry and tactical situations. Its speed-safe assisted opening mechanism allows for quick and easy deployment, making it ideal for one-handed use. The knife features a 3.4-inch Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel blade, known for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The handle is made of anodized aluminum, providing a comfortable and secure grip, even in wet conditions. The pocket clip is reversible, allowing for tip-up or tip-down carry. This knife is incredibly sharp right out of the box and holds its edge exceptionally well. The build quality is superb, with tight tolerances and no blade play. The assisted opening is smooth and reliable, and the locking mechanism is solid. It's a robust and dependable tool that feels great in the hand. Number 4. Kershaw Leek BlackWash Pocket Knife 1660 BLKW. Meet the Kershaw Leek BlackWash, designed to be your ultimate everyday carry companion. Its slim profile and deep pocket clip make it perfect for any task or adventure. The blade is crafted from high-performance Sandvik 14C28N steel, ensuring exceptional durability and edge retention. It's designed to resharpen easily, keeping it ready for action. Its contoured stainless steel handle offers a natural and secure grip. The bead-blasted finish provides a sleek, matte look for comfortable handling. Experience quick and secure blade deployment with its assisted opening feature. It also includes frame and tip locks for enhanced safety when open or closed. Built with Kershaw's commitment to quality since 1974, this knife is a testament to craftsmanship. It's lightweight at just 3 ounces, yet measures 7 overall for reliable performance. The reversible pocket clip allows for versatile carrying options, supporting both tip-up and tip-down positions. It ensures it's always accessible when you need it. What we like. For those who appreciate a sleek and discreet everyday carry, this knife offers a refined aesthetic. The high-performance Sandvik steel ensures excellent edge retention and ease of sharpening. If you prefer a slim profile that disappears in your pocket and handles daily tasks with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. The Kershaw Blur is an excellent all-around knife, featuring a Sandvik 14C28N stainless steel blade that holds an edge well and resists corrosion. Its speed-safe assisted opening mechanism allows for quick and easy one-handed deployment, making it very practical for everyday carry. The TrackTech grip inserts on the handle provide a secure and comfortable hold, even in wet conditions. Number 3. Kershaw Oso Suite EDC Pocket Knife. Meet the Kershaw Oso Suite, designed for your daily tasks. It's a reliable and versatile pocket knife built for convenience. Its 3-inch drop-point blade is crafted from 8cr13 MOV steel, offering excellent durability and a clean, machined satin finish for all your cutting needs. The handle is made from black glass-filled nylon with a textured pattern, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip even during extended use. Opening is a breeze with its assisted opening mechanism and flipper, allowing for quick, one-handed deployment. It also features a reversible pocket clip for flexible carrying options. Safety is paramount with a secure liner lock system that keeps the blade firmly in place when open, providing peace of mind during operation. Measuring 7.1 inches overall and weighing just 2.8 ounces, it's perfectly sized for everyday carry without being cumbersome. It's backed by Kershaw's limited lifetime warranty. What we like. If you want a lightweight knife that feels secure in your hand, this model is an excellent option. The textured handle provides a confident grip for various tasks. If you're seeking a great value everyday carry with reliable performance, this knife is a sweet deal. What people say. The Kershaw Blur is a great knife for everyday carry, with a sleek design and a sharp blade that holds its edge well. The assisted opening mechanism on the Kershaw Blur is fast and reliable, making it easy to deploy the blade with one hand. The Kershaw Blur features a durable aluminum handle that provides a comfortable and secure grip, even when wet. Number 2. Kershaw Shuffle 2 Folding Pocket Knife. Meet the Shuffle 2, a tougher version of a classic. It's compact for daily use, perfect for work, outdoor adventures, and more. It features a 2.6-inch American Tonto blade made from durable 8CR13 MOV steel for superior sharpness and strength. The BlackWash finish adds a rugged look. The olive handle is made from tough glass-filled nylon. It includes a convenient bottle opener and a flathead screwdriver that also works as a lanyard hole. Designed for everyone, the pocket clip allows for tip-down carry for both right and left-handed users. Manual thumb stud opening ensures smooth and safe blade deployment. The liner lock provides a secure hold, keeping the blade firmly in place when in use. With a 6.3-inch overall length and weighing just 3 ounces, this knife embodies Kershaw's commitment to quality craftsmanship. What we like. This knife is perfect for anyone who needs more than just a blade in their pocket. Its American Tonto blade is robust, and the integrated flathead screwdriver and bottle opener add significant utility. If you're looking for a compact multi-tool for work, hiking, or general adventuring, this is your go-to. What people say. The Kershaw Blur is a fantastic knife for everyday carry, featuring a smooth opening action thanks to its speed-safe assisted opening mechanism. Its TrackTech insert on the handle provides excellent grip, even in wet conditions, ensuring secure handling. The Sandvik 14C28N steel blade is known for its excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it a durable choice for various tasks. Number 1. Kershaw Outright Folding Pocket Knife. Introducing the Kershaw Outright, a tough and tactical folding knife. It features a sleek blue design with an upswept blade, making it perfect for a wide range of tasks. The blade is crafted from 8CR13 MOV steel, ensuring excellent edge retention, strength, and hardness. Its blue PVD coating provides a stylish, stealthy look and helps conceal wear. It boasts a contoured handle with a blue PVD coated steel back and black G10 front scales for enhanced grip. The deep carry pocket clip allows for convenient right-handed, tip-down carry. Designed for safety, this folding knife features assisted opening for rapid blade deployment. The frame lock ensures the blade stays securely in place when open. With a legacy of quality since 1974, Kershaw builds knives for those who value what they carry. This model measures 7.1 inches overall, with a 3-inch blade and a weight of 4 ounces. What we like. If you're drawn to a knife with a tactical edge and a stylish appearance, this one stands out. The blue PVD coated blade and handle offer a unique look and added durability. If you desire a robust folding knife with a secure frame lock and a distinctive aesthetic for your everyday carry, this is a compelling choice. What people say. This knife is incredibly sharp right out of the box, making it perfect for everyday tasks. The assisted opening mechanism is smooth and reliable, allowing for quick one-handed deployment. The build quality is excellent, with a sturdy handle and a durable blade that holds its edge well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.